The National Senior Citizen Center has called for continuous collaboration with Nigeria Bureau of Statistics to achieve national growth through production of data on older persons. The Director General of the center, Dr. Omokaro, said this during a courtesy visit to the Statistician-General of the Federation, Dr. Simon Hari, on Friday in Abuja. Omokaro stressed the need to harmonize the figure to promote unity, particularly before international agencies about communities in Nigeria.
For the first time in the history of this country, we now have a national policy on aging, which aligns with the Act. And then we now have an agency that can coordinate, initiate, collaborate with other MDAs who, incidentally, are the MDAs that have the statutory mandates on most of these things I have listed. For instance, health sits in the Federal Ministry of Health. So for us to be able to, collaborate effectively in all these intersecting areas, it means that we must have data. We must have the statistics. We must know the numbers. And I want to say that before now, it was very, very difficult to have older persons included in national surveys. It's very difficult. We need to know where these older persons are, who they are, where they are. Their living arrangements, socioeconomic status. We need to know their, health conditions and, common medical situations. And I know that NBS is always in the field. That's my excitement about NBS. They're always in the field, not much of projection. You don't project, you're in the field, bringing us the data, breaking it down to us. So that is why we want to depend on NBS as much as we depend on other administrative, data sources.
Responding, Hari, who is also the Director General and Chief Executive Officer of Nigeria Bureau of Statistics, commended Omokaro and her team for their initiatives, saying it is a right step in the right direction. According to him, the establishment of the center had further proven the government's commitment towards the well-being of aged Nigerian citizens.
The commitment of government is demonstrated by the establishment of this center. I believe with this establishment of the center, a lot will be done as regards the aged. The NBS is the National Statistics Office of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and of course saddled with the responsibility of producing official statistics cutting across all facets of human endeavors. And we do that in collaboration with all relevant agencies, both within the public and private sector, and then going down to the sub-national level. That is very, very key, and that informs why we take the task of coordinating statistical activities nationwide as very, very germane, so that we will, as much as possible, ensure consistency in data production, ensure that there is coherency in what we do, ensure that the data we produce is not in conflict with one another, and indeed ensure that we produce statistics that are of high integrity. So that we do, and the Director General will attest to that, because NBS is not new to her. I was telling her that this is like homecoming, because for years she has been working with us to ensure that we provide all the relevant information as far as the issue of the aged people in the society is concerned.